is. How can is it true? Does it exist? How do they access phones?
Okay.
What's the story?
So see, Pegasus absolutely exists. It is true that it is cleared for government to government sale. Now, the issue is their servers were in Cyprus. And because they overpromised certain things to their clients, the servers got shut down. The parent company shut down this server function in Cyprus. So we don't know who has leaked what exactly. We suspect it's a disgruntled employee who leaked this set of names. Now, there are a lot of things in this that simply don't add up. First of all, when you buy an intelligence product from another country, there is some level of intelligence sharing that happens, but mostly there is none. Because your intelligence that you gather on certain people is your closely guarded secret that you commoditize and trade at a later stage. So for us to be having for our intelligence to have its backroom servers sitting in Cyprus, open to being compromised by somebody else, violates all the first principles of intelligence gathering. So something doesn't add up here, number one. Number two, if you look at the list, it is prone to selection bias. Remember the names that are being released. Out of 300 odd names, only 40 have been released. Why have 40 been released? Because it's very convenient to pass these 40 names off as being opponents of the government, and therefore the government is spying. If you release the remaining 260 names, there would be a completely different pattern that would emerge. Right? Then there was this thing that Anil Ambani was being spied on. Now, supposedly Anil Ambani, according to these same people, is the one who paid bribes to get Rafale offsets. Why would they be spying on somebody who bribed them, allegedly? See, there's nothing here that's adding up. Okay, on one hand, you want to spy on your opponents. Why would you spy on Ashwini Vaishnav? Okay, now, if a government is, first of all, governments have access to far more sophisticated products than this, but this is a product that seems to work uniquely with the iPhone. So much for iPhone security. It doesn't seem to work with Android all that much. Even here, out of all the attempts made, it turns out that most of the attempts at infection failed, and where it succeeded, it seems to have only marginally succeeded. Plus, where it seems to have succeeded, we have not seen any kind of action to suggest that the government either preempted or put roadblocks in something that was coming up, some special exposés or whatever. Right? So nothing here makes sense. How do you know it wasn't, say, Airbus buying this product and using it? How do you know it wasn't Pakistan buying this product and using it? Right? The thing is, yes, Pegasus has been used, but we are being fed a slice of the story to believe it was only government opponents who were spied on. And number three, there is absolutely no link back to the government of India. This is the same way that they try to spread the Rafale story. Anil Ambani financed a movie by François Hollande's partner. François Hollande presided over the Rafale sale. Therefore, Anil Ambani actually gave this contract to François Hollande so that they would get Rafale offsets. You see, you can't make a case up this way. This is like saying there was, Abhijit is wearing an Arab hat. Okay, an Arab carried out a suicide bombing in Syria. Therefore, Abhijit carried out the suicide bombing in Syria, while I'm alive and well sitting right here in Delhi. Okay, this is not the way investigations work. Now, based on this...
Very quickly, can you reduce your volume just a tad, because there's a little bit of an echo?
Okay, is this better?
Much better, thank you.
Okay, now, in all of this, we are supposed to believe that a parliamentary inquiry and whatnot has to start off based on a very selective interpretation of what we are being spun. We are not being given information, we are being given spin. Information would have been when all 300 names were made public, or at least make all 300 numbers public. Redact the numbers you know, and then make the rest of them public so we know who's. Okay? This is not reportage, this is